First, you'd build a lexer, which is just a function that scans through your source code character by character and breaks it into tokens, so numbers, keywords, identifiers, operators, and so on. It also handles whitespace and comments too. What you get is a stream of tokens that represents the structure of your code. At this point, your machine is a lot closer to making sense of the code you wrote. Next comes the parser, which is also another function, which takes those tokens and builds an abstract syntax tree, basically turning the flat sequence of tokens into a structure that represents the program's logic. You can write this by hand using recursive descent, or even generate it from a grammar specification. Once you have your abstract syntax tree, you typically need to run semantic analysis. This is where you walk the tree and verify everything makes sense. Usually you would check types, make sure variables are declared before use, and catch logical errors that are syntactically valid but semantically wrong. This is part of the program that screams at you when you use a variable out of scope. And at last, there's the code generation. You need to write another tree walker, but this time, instead of checking for errors, this one outputs C code that corresponds to each node in your tree. You write this to a .c file, run it through GCC, and you've got an executable written in your own language. How to create your